Every day, as I prepare to leave my college campus, I notice her, a small bird perching on the mirror of a parked scooter. She taps her beak gently against the glass. Her actions spark curiosity, leaving me wondering what she is trying to convey. Does she see a friend, an enemy, or simply her own reflection? Does she seek to feed, kiss, or converse with her mirrored self? Is she seeking something deep and beyond the surface to connect, share, understand? Has she come to learn from this temple of learning? Or perhaps to remind us to pause and connect with nature? Is she reflecting, introspecting, searching for answers in the silent face that mirrors her own? Her actions intrigue me, leaving me wondering what secrets it holds. Perhaps one day I will unravel the mystery behind her mirrored dance.